How to block a contact on Signal. Open the Signal private messenger app on your phone. Got someone you don't want to hear from anymore? Let's block them in just a few taps. Find the chat of the person you want to block and tap to open it. Now tap their name at top of the screen to open the chat settings. Scroll down and tap block user. This will ask you to confirm. Just tap block again. The contact can no longer message or call you on Signal. Change your mind, just go back to the same place and tap unlock. The contact will be restored instantly. Don't worry. When you block someone, they don't get a notification. It's totally private. And that's it. Blocking a contact on Signal is quick, private, and easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it so your friend can learn this trick too. Stay secure and happy chatting. Thank you for watching.